Hey everyone, it's Melanie with Cooking with Melanie. Tonight we're going to be using the Pampered Chef Salad Choppers to shred some cooked chicken. So I have 8 boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I made in my deluxe multi-cooker. And this is part of my bulk cooking method. I'm going to cook once and eat twice. So as you can see here, I'm just shredding the meat, super easy. These dual bladed salad choppers are great for shredding cooked meat. They're great for chopping up your lettuce. They're great for vegetables or really anything else that you want to cut up. So it's gonna take me about a minute moving all that chicken around, just making sure, again, I get all those big chunks, and then I'm going to store the rest of what I don't use tonight for my recipe in the leak-proof glass containers, and I'm going to freeze it so that I have a quick, already made for me protein for an easy weeknight dinner. I hope you enjoyed this video. Look how beautifully that chicken diced up.